Welcome back to No Recipes. I'm Mark Matsumoto, and this is the segment where I show you useful kitchen techniques in under 2 minutes. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make Usuyaki Tamago. It's a thin Japanese omelet that's used to garnish and wrap foods in a golden layer of egg. The big sheets can be used just like nori to wrap foods up like sushi or around onigiri. And you can also roll up the sheets and cut them into thin threads so you can use it as a garnish on top of dishes like Chirashizushi or Hiyashi Chuka.
Our ingredients are just eggs, a pinch of salt, and some vegetable oil. The first thing you want to do is break the eggs into a bowl, add the salt, and use a pair of chopsticks to beat the eggs together using a side-to-side motion. The idea here is to get the whites and yolks evenly combined without incorporating any air, which can make your eggs puffy. Now we want to strain the eggs through a fine mesh tea strainer. This removes any bubbles as well as any undissolved bits of egg white. We've got a 10-inch non-stick pan that's been preheated over medium heat, and we're going to wipe it with an oil-soaked paper towel. Now you want to turn down the heat to low and add some of the egg mixture. The less egg you add, the thinner the sheets are going to be, but it's going to be harder to spread evenly. That's why I recommend starting off with 2 to 3 sheets for 3 eggs. But as you get better, you might be able to get 4 sheets out of the same amount of egg. When the edges start drying out like this, it's time to flip the omelet over. Now you just want to smooth out any wrinkles and let this cook for a few seconds and then remove it from the pan. Be sure to keep your Usuyaki Tamago covered so they don't dry out, and then repeat these steps until you've run out of egg. You can turn your Usuyaki Tamago into Kinshi Tamago by rolling the sheets up and slicing them into thin threads with a sharp knife. Usuyaki Tamago is an easy way to add protein and color to any meal, but they make a particularly good addition to bento boxes where their uses are limited by only your imagination.
I'm going to show you how to use my Usuyaki Tamago to make my ramen salad in my next video, and I've got more 2-minute techniques coming your way, so be sure to hit subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss out. Alright. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.